Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia, and in this episode of Crafting with Friends, I am doing a project live process video using the kit that Leilani sent me. And I love this kit, it had so many colors. But the reason that I picked this specific layout for the kit that she gave me is because it had a few elements that had to do with space and bunch of colors and happy days. So I decided that it was perfect for that. For those of you who don't really know my method, I print photos every few weeks and I trim them if I have to trim them. If they are 3x4, I do print my own photos using a Canon Pixma, and then I put them in the page protectors. That way when I'm gonna create, I look through my pages and whatever speaks to me, it's what I do. Now for this layout, I kind of didn't see that it was actually 2 weeks. I thought it was a whole week and an insert in the middle. But, well, at least I did 2 weeks with this sort of mistake. I realized once I started working already and I saw the little tab with the date, I was like, oops. So on the left, I'm going to have week, I believe it was week 14, and then on the other side I'm gonna have week 15. And she sent me these awesome labels, so that's where I always stamp my dates. I'm using my Pseudo Calico ink, the poppy red, to stamp the dates. And I cut out this heart from one of the cards that she sent me, and I use a lawn fawn stitch die. And I'm going to link some of the items I used below. They're affiliate links. You don't have to use them, but they do help my channel a lot. And to line up my words, I've been using this little ruler that comes with the Tombow Fudanosuke brush tip pens. They're supposed to be used for kanji calligraphy and Japanese lettering and Chinese lettering. But I used it for this. You can also use it to address envelopes. She also sent me some puffy hearts, and I think I used all of the red ones and I used 2 of the black ones. I love to add this sort of things to my layout, especially to divide the dates like I'm doing right here. Kept my title card really simple because there are a lot of elements and photos in this layout, and on top of that I'm using a lot of colors, so I didn't want to I still go overboard because that's my style and what I do, but I did really try. I do love these blue alphas that she sent me. They look like simple stories, but I'm not sure. I just love this kind of font. It's simple, it works with everything. And I'm gonna write Fort Life because my daughters made a little fort. No, it wasn't little, it was a giant fort in the living room, and it stayed there for a few weeks. Now this was in that, I know that the next layout celebrates like the first month of the whole quarantine, COVID, staying at home. So we, staying at home and trying to have fun, so we built this fort. I added some ice creams, which she sent me. I love those puffy stickers. And I took a photo of them just hanging out in the fort. And it was so cozy. We have so many blankets in this house, and my daughters are always dragging them with them. I have to hide them. There's always a blanket around, but it's awesome for this kind of fort little project thing. I also use a bunch of the stickers she sent me. I think that one is about celebrating the little things and stuff like that. I added yet another little heart, and I love it. And this little die cut said family time, so I wanted to put it either there or one of the other photos. and I was trying to layer it with something, and I knew for sure that I was going to put puffy a puffy sticker, but I also wanted to either put some of that rainbow washi tape, but then I remember the little tabs that she sent me, and in order to use them twice, since they are not a pull-out, I decided to cut it that way I had two pieces. And I'm using the Tombow Mono Adhesive Plus to adhere all of my little die cut pieces. And I always add a few staples here and there just for a little extra detail, nothing too complicated or strange. And my daughter did a lot of the lunch doodles from Mo Willems. I think that at least the first month had a bunch of photos of her just following along the lunch doodles with Mo Willems. And that's how it looks. I added the little rainbow, which is perfect for the illustration and the theme of the photo. She was also doing a lot of cosmic yoga, which is a channel on YouTube for yoga for kids, and it's really fun. They have a lot of theme ones, and my daughter has done the Pokemon one. She's done a lot of them. They do have a lot, and keeps them occupied. She does really like yoga, and when it's theme, even better. And I use the same alphas to write yoga. I'm also gonna add a little die cut that she sent me that says enjoy every minute. And I'm still looking for one more thing that I can add there. And then I'm going to add even more things because, as you know, just adding one thing is not my style. And just a picture of her, like finishing out her workout. And this is going to be my title card for the other side. Since the kids were stuck at home, they did like a little parade for the Easter Bunny. And we went out and saw the Easter Bunny. You can barely see it on the photo, but it's in that black truck and she's saying goodbye. There's a bunch of grass, which is perfect. The perfect place to either stamp on or add embellishments. And again, I'm going to use my ink from Studio Calico to stamp the dates. And this time I'm going to go with the bigger letters to write week 15. And I wanted to add yet another heart in the middle, but I didn't leave enough space for the heart, so I'm going to use a little happy face that has heart eyes, and it works out just perfect. So my daughters also enjoy watching Crash Course on YouTube. It's an awesome channel. They especially watch technically the only one they watch was Crash Course Astronomy, and the host is Phil Platt, which is the bad astronomer. He had like a blog where he explained all the wrong things movies did with science and astronomy, and it's a lot of fun. They also have a kids version if you have even younger kids, and my daughters actually watched them both. Like my oldest and I really enjoyed the ones that are not for kids, obviously, but my little one did understood better Crash Course Kids. And since my county didn't have really a direction they took, they were just like, yeah, to read, I don't know, do something. And I used to be a teacher. I decided to do like a little plan for them so they can, exercise their noggin, but it wasn't that aggressive. We just generally talked about random things like space, and we read and we listened to podcasts. And that was one of the occasions where we were in my workroom trying to learn new stuff. I also wanted to document these two movies. We paid for the Trolls World Tour movie, and it was worth it. It was pretty good. The girls did enjoy it. And we also watched Onward I think we watched it on Disney Plus. And it's a really good movie. They're both really good. Onward is a little bit sad, and I'm not the biggest fan of the ending, but it's a really sweet movie. The ending is not bad. It's just sad and a little unfair, but it was unexpected, and the movie is different from anything that we watched lately. So one of the stickers she sent me was this movie night. She also sent me those photo corners, and I love how I use that. I might scrap lift myself in the future if I don't forget, because I always have, oh, I like this technique, I'm gonna do it in the future, and then I never do it. I'm gonna layer again with that rainbow washi tape. And this is because I plan to put the photo corners on both of the cards, but it would contrast way too much with the Onward picture, so I decided to just go different routes. This is silly. Actually, if you take a picture inside an empty paper towel roll, your face will look like the moon. And I saw it online and I thought it was silly, and honestly, we were running out of things to try. We didn't do TikTok, so we didn't go all the way. And Leilani sent me this really cool little word stickers that work perfect for the moon photos and a photo of the actual moon. I wrote my journaling on these rainbow cards using my typewriter. And I love that rainbow washi. It reminds me of, oh my god, Rainbow Bright was her name, with the leggings and the creepy pets. My sister loved Rainbow Bright. It always creeped the hell out of me, but not that bad. I again used those fun tabs that she sent me. And I really liked this one. I thought that this one was going to end up being a title card, but I really like it as a journaling card. She also sent in the cards, this one that said movie time, so I decided to document both of the movies we watched with this card. And I think this card is from L Studio. I think I either wanted to buy the kit or I got it and the cards are somewhere. I have no idea, but it's an awesome card. I do love these sort of movie, books, music that you're listening to cards. I have quite a few from In a Creative Bubble, and they are amazing. And I wrote my journaling using my handwriting and the Tombow Mono drawing pencil. And my daughter made a little paper piecing cat with items from my scrap drawer, and Leilani sent me this arts and crafts stickers, and I was like, this is perfect. She sent also a few that said learn at home, and I thought they were so perfect for that, because I did told her that most of the things that I document are about my daughters, and since they were studying at home last year, it was perfect for that. And this is a sticker that says right where I need to be, and a little house. So this is the final layout, and then I have, actually there's 2 weeks here. I thought it was an insert, still in my head, won't let it go. My daughter took a bunch of filter photos, and taking those photos while she was eating Oreos was not a good decision, but they still turn out really funny and really cute. And then, of course, are the paper tarot rolls, moon photos. They look so weird, but they look so cute. If you get bored with photos, like, why not? And I just love all the colors. I also wanted to bring a little color because some of the pictures are dark. There's a lot of colors and elements, but there's also really dark colors, like the photo inside the tent, the photo of that constellation that we took from an app that you can point it towards the sky, and it will tell you which constellation you're looking at. It's really cool. I forget the name, but it's awesome. If you're curious about it, let me know, and I'll check my phone and leave it in the comments if you're interested. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you go see Leilani's video. I cannot wait to see her project, to see what she made with the items that I sent her. I kind of kept looking at her Instagram photos as a mood board to figure out what kind of things to put in her kit, because I do want her to take advantage of the things that I sent her, and I can't wait. So make sure that you go over there, you follow her, and you watch her video. She is an amazing crafter and just so creative. Her stuff is super pretty. Thank you so much for watching. To those of you who haven't watched the other Crafting with Friends video, I will leave the playlist in the cards and in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having an amazing day. Bye.